Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Power BI Premium or PPU, and an Azure OpenAI/Copilot key so model calls are authorized. Once that is ready, load a curated dataset with clean types and unique ID because generative prompts depend on predictable fields. Next, add a small sample table to test. 520 rows is fine, and create a simple report page. Make sure to save and publish to a workspace with capacity. This prevents permission issues when you attach the AI model. You then connect the model. In the Power BI service, configure the cognitive or Copilot connection with your API key and select the appropriate model. Once connected, design a prompt template that references dataset columns using placeholders. This ensures the model gets structured context rather than raw tables. After that, build a report visual, text box, or custom visual that calls the model via a data flow or custom connector. Test with a single record. If responses vary, refine your prompt and add explicit examples. Finish by validating generated content against multiple records so you catch edge cases and hallucinations. Sample 1050 rows and inspect consistency. Then implement deployment controls, rate limits, simple caching, and prompt safety constraints to avoid unexpected outputs. Once done, publish and monitor usage metrics and costs. If something breaks, first verify API keys and workspace capacity. Then check schema alignment between dataset and prompt placeholders. Adjusting the prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.